Good evening, this is a New Year speech from Anonymous. Soon, it will be the year 2011. According to the United States National Security Agency, also known as NSA, the year 2011 will be the year of the cyber war. So as you can see, parts of the political systems already declared a war on free information and democracy. We will prepare for this battle. We will prepare against censorship. We will get loud. We will be creative. We will be ready to fight for the right to freedom of information. Remember, we are you. Anonymous is you. And you are anonymous. We call you. Get involved. Support WikiLeaks. If you are a programmer, make your personal backdoors. If you are working for a corrupt company, leak the data. If you are working for a corrupt government, leak the documents. Remember, corrupt leaders and institutions needs people like us to get their dirty plans done. This is where we are strong. Watch yourself. Take good care, but take some action. You are fighting for nothing less than for free information and free political systems. You are fighting for the First Amendment, for the right to freedom of information, freedom of speech, and for being a part of the political progress that you gave your vote for. You are fighting for yourself, the web, and for the next step in evolution. That being said, we wish a happy new year for all of us, for you. We are anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget.